Hello and welcome to Draggan AI. Maybe you want to edit your images to suit your needs but do not know how. Your images do not appear as you wish and you want to edit them manually. Draggan is here for you, and that is what I will be explaining to you today step by step. Draggan AI allows you to edit your image from good to best. With Draggan AI, you can edit a short skit and make a long skit. You find this magic, right? But it's doable. Just have a look at this woman right here with the short skirt. And now after editing, she has a long skirt. Guess who pioneers the editing? You guessed it right. Our pioneer today is Draggan AI, and we're gonna see how it makes photo editing possible. Stay close as you are going to learn much you didn't know, and if you watch till the end, you're going to be sure of how to make some passive income with this tool. Stay tuned, you'll love it. To get amazing content each time I post, please remember to click the subscription and notifications button below. Let's now dive into Draggan AI. I'm gonna leave a free trial link in the description below. Be sure to click the link and follow along as I give you step-by-step description of how you can edit your images right using Draggan AI. Draggan AI is an exceptional AI tool you're going to love. Imagine being able to interactively manipulate images through point-based editing. Of course, it's amazing. You can't wait to learn this amazing tool. Let's do this. To access the Draggan AI tool, please use the links in the description below. Installing the tool requires a bit of your time to run codes, and that is why I left a free trial for you to get started immediately. As you can clearly see, Draggan AI is an easy and straightforward platform to work with. You can just see how simple the site appears. I just need a bit of your concentration, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro in image editing. Please bring your mind closer, because you're going to learn some new skills you didn't know. On the left, we have the pickle, which basically covers the pre-trained model. That's where you're going to choose the model to use. Next, we have the latent section, which has the seed and step size. You can use the seed to alter the nature and appearance of the image. In the simplest terms, seed allows you to access a wide variety of images, which you can always choose from. I'm going to show you how to do that soon in this video. Stay locked. Draggan AI also has the option to add or reset points we are going to use in the image editing. We will use the start and stop options to determine how you alter the image. Draggan AI also counts the number of steps moved during the edit, reset, and show mask, and we are going to be discussing all of these in a few. And as you can clearly see below, we have a few steps we are going to use to edit our images. Let's have a look at them briefly so that as we dive into our image editing, you've got an idea of what is going on. I don't want to lose you anywhere in this discussion. Number one is you have to choose the pre-trained model. It has a number of already pre-trained models. We're going to use them in a few. Next, we can just edit the seed to get an image we love. We all have different tastes and preferences. The seed will help you get an image you love. The other step is applying the points for editing. And finally, you can now download your image. Of course, we have the advanced settings that we are going to use to try to at least perfect our image. Let's go practical. Draggan primarily employs two main concepts: feature-based motion supervision and innovative point tracking approach. The feature-based motion supervision technique directs the image generation process by using the movement of handle points as input. For example, have a look at this editing. We are changing a short dress into a long one using handle points, and that's how it goes. On the other hand, the point tracking approach is a method that automatically identifies and tracks the handle points on the image, even when they're obscured or warped. Now these points can be any key areas that dictate the shape or posture of the object. Once you've done that, you'll move these points to new positions on the image, indicating how you'd like to adjust the object. Like here now, Draggan AI has the instructions to straighten up her hand, and what is happening is that we are moving the girl's hand to an upright position to at least eliminate its obscure nature in its current position. The girl's hand is basically moving to the stop point, and that way we end up achieving what we want. I'm pretty sure you got the concept. Having noticed those two important concepts, we can now dive into all the features that keep Draggan AI working. As we stated earlier, the key features we are going to discuss today are pickle, latent, drag, and mask. I will use different examples to explain each concept, and I am sure you will love it. Please stick around. Pickle helps you choose the model to use. It has pre-trained models. For now, we can just use stylegan2 underscore human underscore v2 underscore 512. It's basically a model for humans. You can see this young lady on the right. She's okay to work with for editing. I feel comfortable working with this, so let's just leave the seed feature untouched. We are going to discuss seed in a different example. But please don't feel limited on your side. Go for that model or any other image that you love. I just love to use this feature. Back now to the image. I feel like the lady's dress is a bit short and now I want to make it long. How do we go about lengthening the dress? It's easy. You just have to concentrate and you'll learn this. Draggan AI allows you to do the editing and it is simple. Let's see how this goes. What I'm going to do is move to the drag section here on the left and try editing the image. I'm going to click on add point right below here, then place on the image a starting point. Just on the dress below, let me place a starting point. Then I will place a stopping point at the position where I need the editing to stop and allow Draggan AI to do the magic. It's automatic. And there we go. We have a long dress. Amazing. It's of course exciting. You can also try this on your PC and you're gonna enjoy it. Just click the free trial in the description below and try it today. It's that simple. Do we now try a new example so that you can at least internalize the concept? Let's do it, of course. On the pre-trained model, I can go for the human option. I'm gonna use seed this time. In this case, it will be a matter of playing around with the scale right here on seed. You could also alter these numbers right here. The choice is yours. Please feel free to do everything you wish with Draggan AI. We are learning after all. As you could expect, here is a new image, but I do not like it. Let me try and get a new image. I just have to alter the seed a bit. Here we are. The girl looks cute, but we could still explore another option. You just play around with this scale or alter the digits here until you get what you want. Maybe something I could advise is you should at least pick an image with fewer deformities. It will be much easier for you to edit into a perfect one. Let's just go with this one right here. It has fewer deformities and is easier to manipulate. Actually, I see no problem with this image. Just for demos, let me move her left hand to the coat pocket. The steps are of course the same as what we discussed earlier in the first example. You just need to make the first and the last point. Click the start button on the left and wait for magic to happen. As the image edits move, you can see the left below here on the step section. We have a change in the number of steps. Draggan AI is actually counting the number of steps happening on the image edits. That's the result. Not bad. We actually achieved our goal. But sometimes when we do our editing, it ends up affecting the entire image and we may not be comfortable with it. And that is where the mask section comes in. This section allows us to edit a specific area and the editing does not affect the entire image. It only affects the area you have specified manually. Like with our image today, we just have to click on Edit Flexible Area on the mask section. This allows you to manually specify the area you need the edits to be done. See how I am doing it. By long pressing my touchpad, I can do this perfectly. And here we go. Let's try changing her leg's posture. Of course, we need to include the start and the stop points on the image, and then start our editing, just as we have done with other images. And here we are. The lady has a normal posture. As I promised, only the part we masked has been affected. Now why don't you try this tool today? You're gonna love it. Money might motivate you more to try the tool. That's why I want to show you quickly how you could make some passive income with this skill. In the 21st century, we all want hobbies or rather fun activities that at least give us some income. Draggan AI will help you out. You just need to make perfect images, post them to the relevant sites, and expect returns over time, and I'm going to show you how. Site number 1. You can post Draggan AI art on Etsy.com. You just have to provide Draggan AI with the right code. Choose perfect images, edit them, and post them on Etsy.com. Etsy.com will pay you based on the number of clients who buy your art. We can just have a look at one example. We want to be realistic, of course. You can see this page here. With the right content on Draggan, quality images can be generated and sold out on the platform. The other most popular site where you can post your art is Fiverr. On Fiverr, we have less competition for AI art. Let's have a brief look at the site. About 9,000 services are available on AI art. You see, the skill is worth investing your time to run. Just look at the bulldog right there. Of course, that's something you can make and edit even as a beginner. The freelancer has so far made over 144 sales, selling each image at $25. Isn't that good money? The little effort you make to learn and perfect the skill will reward you soon enough. Heed to my small advice and you're going to enjoy the fruits. Draggan AI is an innovative tool that empowers users to edit images with ease. This video tutorial provided a comprehensive guide to utilize the tool effectively, starting with selecting pre-trained models and adjusting seed values. Users can achieve personalized image results. The interactive point-based editing feature, explained by unfolding dog ears and refining human images, showcase the tool's versatility. To expand the range of images, you can leverage a Google Colab link provided to generate various codes. This process enhances skill mastery and opens opportunities for passive income. Platforms like Etsy and Fiverr offer outlets to monetize Draggan-edited images. As demonstrated through examples, users can sell their art and generate income based on client engagement. In a technology-driven world, learning and leveraging tools like Draggan AI not only offers creative satisfaction, but also potential financial rewards. By investing time and effort, users can develop a valuable skill set that bridges image editing and income generation. Embrace the journey of exploration, practice, and monetization to unlock the full potential of Draggan AI. You can use the free trial in the description below to get started. It's as simple as that. Thanks a bunch for being with me throughout this video.